Hi guys! Welcome sa part 3 sa among Sweden trip. Don't mind the cleavage cause fake news ra na. So for today's video, we plan to go to a big city in Sweden called
Bor länge.
For you guys that did not check my other video, that was my husband. Dili na si Siri ha. So as I was saying earlier, we are very excited to go to this big city. And of course, di dyan na mawa ang mag-outfit check. But FYI, wala mi gatwining ani ha. Funny lang jud kayo kay pag naog na ko, uy, pareho man day mig outfit. As they say, great minds think alike. So while busy si mommy sa pag-outfit check, kaning duha giduka na sa paghuwat sa sofa. Back to driving na ta. I am so excited to go on this trip. I heard that in this city, you will find one of the most iconic Swedish stores. I have noticed that the Swedish are very talented in different aspects. Halos sa tanang butang, naagid sila'y pambato. Sa mga singers, naa sila'y ABBA, katugang nagkanta sa So I say thank you for the music, the song I'm singing. Char, napadya pa intermission eh. Going back, sa fashion, naapad sila'y pambato. If you remember sa previous vlog, ang
Hennes og Mauritz.
or H&M sa atoa, gikan pod sa Sweden. For True Blood series fans out there,
Alexander Skarsgård.
is a Swedish actor. So this day, nag-ulan gyud siya pag maayo. But here we are. Deng de de deng. Naabot na jud mi sa among destination, ang IKEA dinhi sa Sweden. Actually, this is our second time in IKEA. The first time was when we went to Manila. Honestly, the same naman gud ang ilang baligya. But I don't know, it feels different when you shop here in Sweden. Especially when you know that it came from this country. Pang flex pod ba? So anyways, let's go in. Sa mga nakaadto na sa IKEA Manila, let's go ahead and check the differences between the Manila IKEA and the Swedish IKEA. And sa never pa nakaadto og IKEA, I will show you how it looks like inside. Actually, part lang sa IKEA ang ako ang givideohan kay mauwa man ko mag-video-video dito eh. Let's start. In the first floor, you will find the IKEA Bistro. They sell pastries and coffee as well. But at this time, gigutom na jud mi kay wa pa man mi pamahaw. So, skip sa mi aning part. Moving on sa second floor. So in here, you will find the cafeteria. We first looked for a place that could fit us all in. We are quite a big family, so we must find a table that could fit us all in. After we found a place to sit, time to order na! So to start, you have to take a trolley to put your trays on. While waiting on the line, you can choose from the menu what to order. I ordered fish fillet with potatoes, while si Rosie got pancake with jam. Of course, dili na mawala ang ilang labing-labing. If you notice sa video, naapod sila drinks nga baligya. It was 10 kroners or 50 pesos for your drinks. You can actually just get a cup and then you can refill na unlimited. Happy pod si Rosie! After eating, we shopped a bit in IKEA. Didn't take any videos of it, but of course, di did malimtan mag-TikTok. After that, we went to the nearest mall called
Kupolen.
There were also several shops in here. Na ay H&M, na ay jewelry store. There was also a shoe store that was on sale. So ni-avail na dayon ko. Happy na dayon si Disney Princess. I don't know kung makarelate mo, but whenever maglaag ko, mas dako jud ang gasto. Char. Just to clarify, Disney Princess ra ko. Wala ko'y trabaho. So ayaw sa magpangutang nako. Bitaw ba, daghan gyud ang mag-assume nga kung naa ka sa gawas, daghan na kag kwarta. But the truth of the matter is, Wa jud ko'y kwarta, zero, ores. Move on na ta kay makadepress man. So, padong na day mi uli ani. Ug sa dihang naagian na mo ang first ever Clas Ohlson. Wala ni sa Pinas, but this is one of the most popular stores in Scandinavia. After a few hours of driving, we dropped by to a town called Leksand. This time, ako na ang nagstorya sa name kay gihasulan ako og sige pa voice over. Anyways, cute gyud kay ni siya nga town. It's as if I am on a checkpoint on one of the games that I played before. As we went to the center of the town, I noticed na naay mga daghang king langgam sa mga atop. Seeing that itself was already amazing to me. But we were so lucky because we not only see the birds on the roof, but we would also see something more magical than that. Grabe na amaze jud ko ani. Because what are the chances nga makita ni nako nga moment? Makaingon jud ko nga swerte jud kaayo ko. Kay ngano, never man din ako ma-imagine sa akong kinabuhi nga makatungtong kog Europe and makakita kog inani nga mga nindot nga butang. Wow! A few years ago, my dream was to travel the world solo. But of course, since tight man ang budget, mag-start jud ta sa mga visa-free. I first traveled in the Philippines and then to Kuala Lumpur, then to Bali. I was also planning to travel in Indochina, but coronavirus happened and I guess plan jud siguro sa Ginoo nga diretso na lang kog Europe. It was a tough ride but may na lang na akong bana sa kong kiliran. Ay! Like literally. Moving on, nag-stop by me sa Idra. Mao ni ang border town sa Sweden to Norway. We stopped by to eat some food. And then after, nag-play-play kadali si Inday sa gawas. Perting lingawa kaayo. We arrived at the border of Sweden and Norway. We dropped by so we can take photos and videos. Here in Europe, normal gyud nga na kay makita nga magbike sa dalan. People here are usually in an active lifestyle, especially na kung init sa gawas, pirmi gina sila manggawas. Lahira gyud sa ato kay kung init sa gawas, lugos mo gawas kay unsaon na lang ang gluta, pertira ba yung mahala. Guilty sa kuana sa una, basta init, mo escape gyud dayon ko sa mall. Lahi man pod ang init sa Pinas, kay makapaso man, at least diri na ay hangin nga bugnaw. Anyways, thank you kayo sa pagtubay aning akong gamay nga vlog. Lisod jud ang trabaho sa vlogger. I'm not sure kung kariro ni nako, pero kung maumang gani, I hope you'll continue to watch my videos. Thank you for watching your Disney Princess. Hada!